Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up Stremio add-ons. So first, open up the Stremio app on your device. So to find and manage your add-ons, go to the add-ons section. So this is where you can explore different add-ons to make your streaming experience better. You'll first see the My Add-ons section. So this shows all the add-ons that you've already installed for your content library. Next, look at the official add-ons and community add-ons section. So official add-ons are provided directly by Stremio, so this can be easily installed to expand your streaming content. So for community add-ons, these are third-party add-ons created by the Stremio community. So this gives you more options and are a great way to access additional content. So to install an add-on, simply click the install button next to the one that you want. So it's very straightforward. And if you already know what you're looking for, you can also use the search bar to find specific add-ons. So once an add-on is installed, it will show up in your list. All your add-ons are displayed neatly, so it's easy to manage and organize them. So by exploring both official and community add-ons, you can customize your Stremio experience and access a wide variety of content. So this is a simple but powerful way to improve your streaming. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button.